Hey guys, and welcome to Uppie's Kitchen. You may be wondering about the name Uppie. Well, my grandson named me this when he was just learning to talk. When he would want me to pick him up, I would say, "Up, please." After repeating this over and over again, my grandmother's name was born, and I became Uppie. I appreciate you clicking on my video and hope you will enjoy trying some of my recipes and hope that they will be helpful and tasty. So let's begin with the first one, grilled and sauteed trout. When grilling any fish, you can either grill it straight on the grids or saute in a pan on top of the grids. If you decide to do the flat on the grids, make sure to spray the grids good with EVOO. If you don't know what that is, that's extra virgin olive oil. You can buy it in a spray can to keep the skins from sticking. I prefer the grill sauteed method, it's less messy. Oh, and one other way to keep fish from sticking is let them cook thoroughly on each side before turning them. The skins will come off easily after they're cooked, and you don't have to eat the skin. Now, if you want to, you can take that skin off because I said sauteed, but it really is steaming because you're going to put this in a pan in aluminum foil. And you're going to add all your ingredients, which I'm going to list down here in a little bit. But to keep that skin from sticking, I prefer to go the method of steaming instead of grilling that skin flat on that grill. Okay, let's move on. Now make sure that your internal pressure is 145 Fahrenheit and your inside grill is 400 Fahrenheit. Preheating is always best, that way it has time to evenly distribute when cooking. How you can usually tell that a fish is done is just barely take your fork and lift it and see if it's flaky. If it's got an opaque color, it's ready. That usually takes anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes, depending on the thickness of the fish. Now, if you've got a thick fish, it's going to probably take 8 to 10 minutes. Also, the cooking time on this is pretty fast, so if you are going to grill vegetables, I'm going to give you some suggestions of what I did. I did some corn niblets and or just whole corn. It doesn't matter. But I did corn on the grill, and of course I seasoned them. And I'm going to give you the ingredients that I used in order to put that on the corn so you can grill it. And then I've also done peppers and onions, and I sauteed those right in that with the fish. And you can see by the picture, I've got the fish in there with the peppers, different peppers, and you can put some of that inside that fish, and it'll make the flavor of the fish go throughout. Now we're going to go to the ingredients that I used. I usually have about 2 whole or filleted trout. I use 1 medium onion, half a teaspoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic, and then also cut up maybe about a half red pepper, half a green pepper, slice them, and then I take a lemon and I slice those. The spices that you're going to use are, and I would mix this in a small bowl. Take a tablespoon of garlic, minced or powdered, it doesn't matter. You can do garlic powder. A tablespoon of Morton's All Natural Seasonings, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of the lemon, garlic, and herb seasoning. and mix those all together. And you go ahead and add your salt and pepper to taste in that, and just mix it all real good. And then you're going to take that and just spread it over the fish, and you keep half of that, or make a little more up, and sprinkle all of that mixture on top of your corn, and take a little bit of butter and put inside there with it, and also uh, go ahead and melt your little butter, garlic, and herbs, and kind of brush that on your corn. I hope y'all enjoy, and if you like this video, please like and give me a little shout out, and I appreciate you looking. I will have some more videos. Hopefully I get used to using this thing. I haven't done this before, but I thought I'd share a little bit of my recipes that I like to do, especially the trout. A lot of people don't know how to cook trout, and it takes a while, but if you get the hang of it, it's really tasty on that grill. I also forgot to tell you, you can sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley on top of that, and after you've done that, just up and serve. Thank you for watching.